Hey, I'm Mike, and I'm here to answer the question, what is Shopify and how does it work? You might have heard about Shopify from others online. Maybe you're looking to move a physical business online or start a new online store. Whatever your reason, I'm diving into what Shopify is, its benefits, drawbacks, and examples of Shopify sites. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that does everything you need to sell online. Millions use it to run online stores, businesses, and blogs, automating tasks to minimize effort and payroll. Instead of hiring a web developer or inventory tracker, Shopify automates many jobs with built-in software. In just an hour or two, you can create a stunning professional website with no web development background. It's appealing to many for its ease of use and ability to automate inventory and advertising. Shopify lets you build a website, choose templates, list products, track inventory, and organize marketing campaigns. It integrates with other software and is cloud-based, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Templates make it easy to start with a nice base level, customizable to your needs. Shopify is more than a website builder. It's a platform for selling on your own online store. You can sell physical products, digital products, services, and gift cards. Point of sale features allow in-person sales integrating with your online store. Sell on social storefronts like Instagram, integrating with many social media platforms. Shopify has its own payment processor but accepts PayPal and credit cards, known for safety and reputation. Track inventory with low inventory alerts and dig into analytics for optimization. Blogging capabilities allow for organic traffic and subtle product promotion. Integrations with apps like Printful for print-on-demand dropshipping are available. A marketplace of experts is there to help, but tutorials are available for guidance. Examples of Shopify stores include Anchor, Oregon, and Kylie Cosmetics. Shopify is popular among big brands for its ease and comprehensive features. Drawbacks are minimal, but for more customization, WordPress is an option. For most users, Shopify is the best bet for an online store offering a frictionless experience. Get started with a free trial using the link below, supporting our channel with no extra cost to you. I'm Michael Bryan from Sandal Media. Thanks for watching.